Going to go ahead and add it to the list, and we see that we've created a search of items that were sent on or before 1 month ago, and we'll go ahead and click OK. And now we have a folder of where to search for these emails. So instead of searching our entire email boxes, we can make it go quicker by just selecting the box that these emails should be found. So since they are sent items, we're going to take the checkout of all the personal folders and we're just going to place it into sent items, and therefore that search will only search in that box. We'll go ahead and click OK, and we'll hit OK again, and now our search folder will be saved. We see it appears over here, sent 1 month ago, and when we click it, we will automatically, according to the criteria that we set, will automatically receive results according to the parameters in that search.